Hi guys, it's Amaar. This is my fire orange M3 Touring. So just to run through some mods, we've got a CSL carbon grills, twin ducts, MHC splitter, all in carbon. The boys at R44 hooked me up on this kit. So just looking at the side here, I didn't want to go full carbon on everything, just I wanted to keep some gloss black on the car as well. So I went half carbon on the side badges. Same for the skirts here. I didn't go for the full replacement skirts, I just went for the carbon add-ons. As you can see, the car's lowered. The boys at R44 hooked it up with a H&R Hasket just for that flexibility. If I do need to raise it, I can. So moving on to the rear, wanted to keep the same theme going on throughout the whole car. So gloss black, diffuser, which is just original, to be fair. And I've added the carbon side spats. Latest mod we've got is the LCI M3 badge. Just got the chrome outlay around it, so looks much better. Exhaust wise, we've got an OPF back from Miltech. Sounds mint. Do you want to hear it? So last but not least, check what we've got under the bonnet. We've got an Air Max pipe across carbon intake with the matching carbon engine cover. Roof box, color coded BMW. It's got the BMW logos to match as well. It just goes with the car. So I hope you guys enjoyed running through my mods there. Comment what I should do next.